Welcome to the AXINO Small Cap Investor channel. Today I would like to get your attention to the Canadian gold producer Monument Mining Limited. Since more than 10 years, the company has successfully been operating its Selinsing gold mine in Malaysia with excellent infrastructure. To date, Monument has generated more than $380 million in revenues from oxide gold ore. Soon, the company is going to unlock value from its sulphide gold ore and will deliver strong cash flows and profits again. To achieve that, Monument has to build and fund its planned expansion in Malaysia. Now I'm going to talk with the company's president and CEO, Ms. Cathy Zhai. I will discuss with her the recently announced Selinsing feasibility study, which has been done by the well-recognized and independent consultant Snowden Mining. In addition, we want to get an update on the other mining projects of the company. Hi Cathy, thanks for taking your time to give our shareholders and potential investors a detailed understanding of the quality of Monument's released feasibility study on the Selinsing gold mine.
Hi Wolfgang, thanks for having me. Yes, the delivery of the feasibility study is significant to Monument. A detailed report can be downloaded from our website. Please note all figures presented here is in US dollars. In summary, the result of feasibility study gives the entire Selinsing project a 6-year mine life from March 2018 based on the current reserves of 235,000 ounces. Assuming gold price at $1,300 per ounce, we would generate $290 million gross revenue or result into a EBIT of close to $100 million at cash cost of 864 ounces. With estimated capital cost of $53 million, our net cash flow would be approximate $45 million with a healthy internal rate of return of 49%. And a 2.5-year payback period to capital.
Those numbers are underlying the value of Selinsing. How would you like to finance the mentioned capex of $53 million, Cathy?
Well, considering timing of cash flow, we're looking for $45 million to $50 million financing. Due to our low market cap, we're planning to avoid shareholders' dilution as much as we can. So kind of debt financing, either in a loan, forward sale, or other attractive financial instruments can be considered.
Your shareholders might be delighted if you could succeed with a debt instrument. Assuming the company would have the funding, how long is the estimated construction period?
Well, Snowden and our internal team have estimated a 12-month construction period will be required. Having said that, we believe that we could continue to feed our existing oxide plant with the stockpile we have on site.
Why are your expansion plans, which is, by the way, a new flotation and bioleach sulphide treatment plant, so important for the company?
Plant conversion would allow us to unlock the value of our sulphide assets. Secondly, what investors and shareholders also should understand is the fact is that with the success of sulphide plant operation, Monument could toll mill or buy other existing sulphide gold deposit within Malaysia. With the scale of oxide gold resources, to keep gold production sustainable, industry is more and more reliant on new technologies to treat sulphide ore. We're excited that we have demonstrated this capability to operate a sulphide plant in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Thirdly, we're confident that our gold inventory could be further increased by converting existing resource into reserves. We have demonstrated those opportunities in details in the feasibility study. Together, with additional regional exploration around the Selinsing area, which have been attracting more and more attention from the industry, it has provided us future flexibility for maximizing this strategic operational asset.
Wow, that is certainly an important aspect to understand the company's upside and potential for delivering shareholder value. Having said that, your investment into the Sulphide gold plan is a long-term decision your board may have already approved, and that would give your shareholders the potential to get a dividend paid down the road. Cathy, I want to briefly touch base on the other assets the company has. What about Mangapur? Could you benefit from the recent increase in copper and iron ore prices?
While copper production is our current target for our Mangapur project, it is a good time for us looking for a funding partner. With the increase in iron ore price, our third-party operator has already working with us to start up the free digging iron ore operation. That would further remove the overburden. But it is too early to say that we have a near-term solution for copper production yet. However, we have released in 2018 a first 43-101 technical report with a substantial mineral resource estimation of 90 million tons of total indicated and inferred copper resources at a grade of 0.43%. With that in place, we do have some ideas how we could unlock the value of Mangapur for our shareholders in the future. We will inform the market once we are progressing there.
And what about your other gold assets in Western Australia? What is the further outlook there?
Well, as you know, we have bought a Murchison project in Mackay area for 640,000 historical resources, including a CL plant, a mine camp for approximately 118 people, and a canteen at Mackay at Banakara. We have been working towards place it into production, generating a second cash flow. As the Selinsing project moving forward to construction stage, we have decided to focus our resources to start up sulphide production. In the meantime, to increase the gold inventory for Banakara production by exploring underground mining potential. For these investors who have missed it, during 2018, we have increased our indicated and inferred resources to a total of 381,000 ounces at Banakara alone. 1/3 of it are underground. 2018 drilling resulted in some good intercepts, such as a grade of 26 grams down at 200 meters below the Alliance open pit. Through our geological structural studies, we have identified regional exploration targets. We plan to test the quality of those targets first in early 2019 and extend the drilling program up to mid of 2019 as a part of an ongoing PEA studies. In the meantime, we will progress our mining development. We will announce our exploration program shortly.
Your focus on Selinsing makes absolutely sense to me. Thanks for the update on Banakara as well. But one important development we have missed. And excuse me if I have to get back to the Malaysian gold operations. To the north of Monument's existing ore bodies, you have had a new discovery at the Peringi Gold Project, which is on the same strike length of the Selinsing deposits.
Yes, that's correct. We have announced our new discovery on Peringi. Based upon our structural geological interpretation, we have progressed an additional soil sampling program to cover additional areas at Peringi. The samples have been prepared, ready to be sent to Australia lab for test work. Based on result, further drilling work will be planned. We also are going to press on more regional exploration.
Okay, thanks. So we look forward to further news on Peringi as well. Cathy, as a summary, what is your message to potential new investors and your existing shareholders? Why should they buy or average down their holdings? why do you think you can increase the company's current valuation of approximately 20 million Canadian dollars, which is close to the company's current cash position?
Well, we have a clear action plan in place, as we have just discussed, to support increase in our market value. As a quick summary of our strategic actions in the next 2 to 3 years. 1. Once the funding of our Selinsing sulphide gold plant is in place, we could deliver substantial revenue and profits again if the gold price will stay at the current level or go even higher. Second, Murchison exploration plan will be focused on regional exploration to explore its overall potential. We have noted that gold miners' attention has shifted to the Murchison, Kew, and the McThara area in 2019. In parallel, as the copper price and iron price continue to rise, it is a good time to unblock the value of it. We have attracted more attention to our Megapure project. Last few years, the mining industry has not been able to attract the market. The situation and the outlook has been changed in 2019. With the overall market improvement showing more interest in mining, the further success of monumental projects might let shareholders gain an immediate value for their long-term support. Providing feasibility study gave foundation supporting funding the Selinsing sulphide project. I'm confident that Monument will get back on the radar screen of investors and analysts. We also believe in a strong future of the gold price. The US dollar might weaken in the future, and it will be a main driver for higher gold price. In addition, there has been limited exploration around the planet. So the annual gold production of the world has not been replaced by finding new deposits. The price of gold will increase on that fact.
That is exactly how we believe junior gold miners will benefit from such a scenario and recover from their still very depressed share prices. Cathy, all the best and talk to you soon. Thanks a lot for the great interview.
Thanks, Wolfgang. You're welcome to do an interview again. We want to inform our followers. Thank you.
We invite you to check out the company on monumentmining.com. And keep in mind, the company is a gold producer in its 11th year, with a current market cap of approximately 20 million Canadian dollars. It's time to buy into gold miners, and it looks like that Monument is moving into the right phase at the right time, in line with an increasing gold price. Thank you and goodbye.